Learn English to Gujarati connectors. Nevertheless, indeed, however, thus in.
તેથી.
Welcome to Connector Comedy. You are about to learn some very useful Gujarati linking words, and yes, we will make them less scary than a tax form. Ready to sound smart, dramatic, and slightly heroic? Today you will meet 8 big logic words in English and Gujarati. They are, nevertheless equals,
તેમ છતાં.
indeed equals,
ખરેખર.
however equals,
જો કે.
mithen equals,
મીથીન.
consequently equals,
તેથી.
thus equals,
આથી.
and consequently or as a result equals.
તેના પરિણામે.
Think of them as tiny bridges. Without them, your sentences are just lonely islands waving for help. Your first word, hero. Let us start with the brave little phrase that walks into the storm wearing emotional sunglasses. Nevertheless in Gujarati is.
તેમ છતાં.
It means you continue even when something is difficult. It was raining, nevertheless, we went out. In Gujarati, Varasada Padi Rayo Hato.
તેમ છતાં.
Aim Bahara Gaya. He was tired, nevertheless, he kept working. In Gujarati, Te Thakelo Hato.
તેમ છતાં.
Te Kama Karato Rayo. Funny picture. A cat sees one tiny puddle, gasps like it has seen the ocean, and jumps over it shouting.
તેમ છતાં.
Dramatic? Yes. Useful? Also yes. The word of strong agreement. Now meet the word that nods so hard it almost becomes a bobblehead. Indeed in Gujarati is.
ખરેખર.
It adds emphasis, certainty, or confirmation. This is indeed true. In Gujarati, a.
ખરેખર.
Sakam che. She was indeed surprised. In Gujarati, te.
ખરેખર.
Askariachikita tai. Mini dialogue. A. Is this the right answer? B. Yes.
ખરેખર.
Memory trick. Imagine a giant stamp coming down from the sky and stamping your sentence with.
ખરેખર.
Approved by the Department of Truth. A twist in the sentence. This next word is for when your sentence says, wait, plot twist. However in Gujarati is.
જો કે.
Do not confuse it with the English word joke. In Gujarati,
જો કે.
means however or although. I was tired, however, I kept working. In Gujarati, hum thakyo hato.
જો કે.
Mem kama kalyu rakiam. She is small, however, she is very strong. In Gujarati, te nani che.
જો કે.
Te bahu majabuta che. Picture a speaker making a serious point, then spinning around dramatically and saying.
જો કે.
Congratulations, your grammar now has cinema. A curious guest word. And now we welcome the mysterious visitor, the word that sounds like it arrived wearing a monocle. Mithen appears here as.
મીથીન.
Treat it as an exact word form to recognize and pronounce. I heard the word mithen today. In Gujarati, mem ahe.
મીથીન.
Sabda sambalyo. Please repeat mithen slowly. In Gujarati, kirpa kareen.
મીથીન.
Deem bolo. Imagine opening a mysterious note, and inside it says only.
મીથીન.
No explanation, no context, just confidence. Cause and effect parade. Now we move from contrast words to result words, where one thing happens and another thing sighs, well, that follows. Consequently can be.
તેથી.
It was raining, consequently, we stayed home. In Gujarati, Varasada Padi Rayo Hato.
તેથી.
Aim Gari Raya. She studied hard, and consequently she passed the exam. In Gujarati, Teni Kuba Mahanatathi Abhyasa Karyo, An.
તેથી.
Te Pariksamam Pasa Tai. Thus can be.
આથી.
The road was closed, thus, we took another way. In Gujarati, Rasto Banda Hato.
આથી.
Aim Bijo Rasto Lidho. Prices increased, thus, people bought less. In Gujarati, Bhava Vadya.
આથી.
Loko Okam Karadava Lagia. Another longer way to say consequently is,
તેના પરિણામે.
it rained all night, consequently, the roads were flooded. In Gujarati, Aki rata verisada patio.
તેના પરિણામે.
Rastau panamum garaka teya. The factory closed, consequently, many people lost their jobs. In Gujarati, factory banda thai.
તેના પરિણામે.
Gana lokoni nokari gai. Comedy example. I ate 10 chilies.
તેથી.
I breathed fire. I ate 11 chilies.
તેના પરિણામે.
The dragon asked me for advice. Tiny dialogue theater. You listen, you imagine, you maybe perform all the roles in a suspiciously dramatic voice. That is excellent learning. A. The weather is terrible. B.
તેમ છતાં.
Let us go for a walk. A. Is it really true? B.
ખરેખર.
A. We could leave now. B.
જો કે.
The bus is late. A. Why are you wet? B. It rained.
તેથી.
I ran home. A. The road is blocked. B.
આથી.
We take the other road. A. The pipe burst. B.
તેના પરિણામે.
The kitchen flooded. A. What does this secret note say? B. Only.
મીથીન.
A. Wow, that clears up absolutely nothing. Quick drill round. Now your brain gets a small workout. Nothing painful, maybe only emotionally athletic. Say the Gujarati for nevertheless.
તેમ છતાં.
Say the Gujarati for indeed.
ખરેખર.
Say the Gujarati for however.
જો કે.
Say the Gujarati form of mithan.
મીથીન.
Say the Gujarati for consequently.
તેથી.
Say the Gujarati for thus.
આથી.
Say the longer Gujarati phrase for consequently or as a result.
તેના પરિણામે.
Mini quiz challenge. No pressure. If you miss one, just pretend it was a dramatic pause for educational effect. What is the Gujarati word for however?
જો કે.
What is the Gujarati word for indeed?
ખરેખર.
What phrase means nevertheless?
તેમ છતાં.
What word means thus?
આથી.
What shorter word can mean consequently?
તેથી.
What longer phrase means consequently or as a result?
તેના પરિણામે.
How do you write mithan in Gujarati script?
મીથીન.
Friendly conclusion. You did it, and your sentence connectors are now much more elegant than a confused string of, and then, and then, and then. Today you practiced nevertheless.
તેમ છતાં.
Indeed.
ખરેખર.
However.
જો કે.
Mithan.
મીથીન.
Consequently.
તેથી.
Thus.
આથી.
And as a result.
તેના પરિણામે.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words in your own sentences, and come back anytime for another round of English and Gujarati. You are doing great.
ખરેખર.